Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tiramisu. These are the ingredients that you need for tiramisu. After you separate the egg white and egg yolk and cook the egg yolk on the double boiler. If you feel like you need it, add some milk until you get this consistency. Remember, after you put egg yolk on the double boiler, you have to keep whisking, otherwise you get scrambled egg. Beat egg whites in another bowl. Make sure that you don't mix egg yolk or other things in the bowl, otherwise you won't get the foam from the egg white. You need to use mascarpone cheese. Sour cream or other cheese wouldn't be the same just because it's too sour, but you want the sweetness in this dessert. Here we're gonna mix the egg whites and the whipped cream into the mixture. Just make sure that you add half at a time and fold them very gently, like this motion. And then the other half of the egg whites. Egg whites make the mixture lighter but still creamy. When it's combined, it doesn't have to be perfect. Add half of the whipped cream. And just keep folding. Add the remaining whipped cream. It doesn't have to be exactly half and half, just eyeballing it. Last step is to assemble your tiramisu. Make sure you soak your ladyfinger biscuits in the espresso for a few seconds on both sides, and then put it back in your container. The second layer will be your cream mixture. And then other layer of ladyfinger biscuits. Using the rest of the cream mixture for the last layer. And before you put it in the fridge, dust some cacao powder on the top.